You know what, we're gonna take it on the road, we're gonna give it some, and we're gonna see how the suspension perform. You know what I'm saying? Trial and error. We just upgraded the suspension, so we're gonna see, because it is a big heavy truck and we didn't get the weight ratio right, but hopefully now we upgraded to some tougher springs. We're gonna see what she do. Let's go. This is what it is. Mad machine. Video. There's no road for this. Is taking everything on my pocket right now. This girl like to drink alcoholic right here. The suspension feel better, guys. Definitely. So at least we feel like we accomplished something today. We know she's fast, but she's drinking it. She's just thirsty all the time. Big V8 Mustang 5-liter beast, fully tuned up. I mean, I just put 50 quid 20 minutes ago. Can't say nothing about the brake. The brake is good. Brake good. I must say, this thing here needs getting used to. It's a machine. But as I said before, we have to stop at the bar. I call the petrol station the bar, because we need to go get some more alcohol for this machine. So let's just go do that. So unleaded we working within this. It's not something you drive every day. I mean, she's always thirsty. I'm always at the bar. Call the petrol station the bar. I'm always here, so I feel like I can't even enjoy it. I'm driving from bar to bar so she can drink. You know what I'm saying? But do I regret building it? I don't think so. I think Me and this girl, we're meant to be. Good job. I mean, everything is done properly. Everything is done properly. We just build it, I guess. So I'm going through the teething process now of smoothing out everything. I mean, like the doors are shaking when I'm driving, they're rattling, and I just know that's part of the process. So once we get the rubbers from the States, put in the door, you know, that's gonna go away. It's just a process of elimination. The suspension was driving like before. Went and see our guy today. We upgraded all the springs, you know, check the preloads and everything, and I feel like we got it running nice right now. Anyway, we got a queue, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move forward a little bit. All right, let's go pump some petrol. Let's go give it what he needs. All right. So we gave her some drinks and we're good to go. Let's go test her out. Now we're back up to half tank. Engine alone, you want to do it shaking. No rubbers in the door. Since we painted all the interior, we haven't got a chance to put the rubbers in. So the next thing we're going to do to this truck, we're going to put all the rubbers in the doors, see if we can get the noise down, you know. It's just making too much noise right now. But otherwise from that, the main thing is the running of this car. And the brakes and stuff like that, and she's running good. Mad machine. Hey, look at the smile they put on my face. Look at the smile they put on my face. Gee. 5-liter Mustang. Yeah, that's hard. All panels. To drive like this. When you get a mad person like me who get one and put a Mustang 5-liter engine in it, what can I say? And I absolutely love to hear the sound of that Mustang engine. Just do something to me, you know what I mean? Maybe that's why she's drinking so much. You tell me.